Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of training. Michael, ready for training? Yeah, sit, sit. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Let's see what else we got here. How about shake? Shake. Good boy. Other paw. Good boy. Good boy. Up, up. Good boy. Okay, let's try this one. Lay down. Down. Good boy. Try this one. Roll over. Good boy. Good boy. One more time. How about roll over again? Roll over. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Come on. Up. 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 Good boy. Sit. And down. And roll over. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. How about two? Sit. Say mama. 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 Say mama. 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 Say daddy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Up, 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 up. And good boy. Sit and down. Good boy. And one more time. Roll over. Roll over. Good boy. And that's our Michael. Okay.